like to say that with great humility, I'm pleased to appear before you in the capacity of the Press and Public Relations Officer of the Uganda Police Force. I take the honor to express my gratitude to the Inspector General of Police, Basmia Kagaba, for entrusting me with this responsibility. This is an illustration of trust, but also an opportunity to grow along my career path. I appreciate my predecessor, Senior Commissioner of Police, Fred Enanga, for his remarkable contribution and dedication to this Office of Press and Public Relations. In his farewell communication on the 1st July 2024, he urged me to act with integrity, respect, and compassion. I pledge to hold to those values. I look forward to tapping into his vast experience. I'm cognizant of the uphill task ahead of me as I undertake the assignments entrusted upon me. However, I pledge to commit my effort and expertise with dedication to the expectation of the IGP, the institution of Uganda Police, and the people of the Republic of Uganda. I pledge my unwavering partnership with the Fourth Estate, which plays a very vital role in the empowerment of citizens with information. I'm here to be part of you, time and again. I have an open door policy. We shall work together to move things forward. I thank you.